Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sudoku faster. To begin, quickly scan the entire grid. Look for rows, columns, and 3x3 blocks that have many numbers already filled in. This helps you spot naked singles, where only one number can possibly fit into an empty cell. Also, search for hidden singles, where a number can only be placed in one specific cell within a given row, column, or block. This initial sweep is crucial for a quick start. A powerful technique for speed is candidate marking. For every empty cell, lightly pencil in all the possible numbers that could fit there. This creates a visual map of your options. As you fill in numbers, you can quickly erase candidates from adjacent cells, narrowing down possibilities. Prioritize cells with only 2 or 3 candidates, as these often lead to breakthroughs more rapidly. Elevate your speed by mastering pattern recognition. Look for naked pairs, or triples, where 2 or 3 cells in a unit share the same 2 or 3 candidates, allowing you to eliminate those numbers from other cells. Similarly, identify hidden pairs, or triples. For advanced solvers, understanding X-wing and swordfish patterns across multiple rows or columns can unlock even the most challenging puzzles. The ultimate key to playing Sudoku faster is consistent practice. Dedicate a few minutes each day to solving puzzles. Begin with easier grids to solidify your fundamental skills, then progressively challenge yourself with harder ones. Crucially, time your solves. This objective measurement helps you track your improvement over time and pinpoint specific areas where you can become even more efficient.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.